you some more information on what the situation at the LAC is looking like. Source-based information coming in. Yet another round of major general level talks that is currently taking place, and my colleague Tejinder Singh Soni joining us with more details. Tejinder, military level talks that continue to take place over the standoff at the LAC. What more are you picking up?
Last time when the Major General level talks were held, we were told by the army that those talks were held in a positive and cordial manner, and both the sides they agreed for future dialogue. Today what we have been told that a meeting of the Major General level officers from both the Indian Army side and the from the People's Liberation Army side is currently underway. This is the fourth round of talks, the Major General level talk that is taking place after the incident in which 20 of our brave hearts they were martyred. Though there has been tension on the line of actual control, but both the sides, both the armies, they agreed that the channels of dialogue will remain open. If you remember that on 6th of June there was a Corps commander level meeting that was attended by the Corps commander of the Leh-based 14th Corps of the Army, Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, and his Chinese counterpart. And after that, both the sides they agreed that both the armies they will abide by all the agreements that have been followed. Last time when the Major General level talks were held, the Chinese counterpart they were told in no uncertain term that it was Chinese side which violated the agreement which both the sides reached on 6th of June, and this violent clashes took place in which 20 of our brave hearts they attained martyrdom. And we know that more than 40 of Chinese PLA troops they have also been killed. We are told that the Chinese side they know about the bravery, they have seen first-handed the bravery of Indian soldiers, because the Indian soldiers they were unarmed and without firing a single bullet they were able to kill more than 40 Chinese soldiers. So now the Chinese side they want to de-escalate the situation, and that is the reason that dialogues are being held. And today is the fourth round of such dialogue that is taking place between the PLA and the Indian Army. Yes, Christine.
All right, many thanks, Tejinder. So a fresh set of talks taking place to de-escalate the situation at the LAC, and Tejinder sharing some of those details. We'll keep coming back to you, Tejinder. Many thanks.